If you want to improve hip mobility, you also have to improve pelvic mobility. One quick, really simple way to test if your pelvis can move well or not is to stand up, keeping both legs straight, without allowing your hips to shift backward, bend forward towards the ground. If your pelvis can move well, it's probably going to look something like this. Notice how most of the bending forward motion is being done by the pelvis tipping forward. If your pelvis does not have the ability to move well, it's probably going to look like this. Your hips are going to immediately shift backwards as you bend more through the knees and the lower back. A pelvis that moves more is going to give your body more options of movement. A pelvis that doesn't move forces movement to only occur through the spine and the knees. This over time can be quite uncomfortable. And if you want to resolve hip, knee, or back pain, we first have to look at how the pelvis can move or if it can move at all. Click the link in my bio if you want to learn more about your body.